Hello everyone, today I'll give you some knowledge on the Amazon Web Service EC2 instance. So it's a machine, it's help to run our application into the cloud. So this machine we can create, or we can stop the machine by right click and go to the instance state. We can stop and start the EC2 instance. When it is stopped, we can start, and we can turn it off also when our work is done. So sometimes we run many of the machine and we forget to turn it off. So if you forget this one, then Amazon will be put more high amount to you, so you have to pay that amount. So there is some other way we can automatically turn it off and we can start when it's required. So there is one way is there, lambda function. We create our lambda function. So as per the scheduled time, it will start or it will stop the instance. So I give you another way. So in the PowerShell script also, we can start and stop the EC2 instance when it's not required. Okay, for that only I create some PowerShell script here. So here in this PowerShell script, it will create one. It will do an action. It will just execute the PowerShell script and passing the parameter as whatever the PowerShell script I created added into the stop EC2 instance. So and also trigger time. If I give here some time is given. So here the daily at this time my machine will be stopped. So we can change this time. So now it's the 150 is there. So I'll give the time is 1:53. Okay. So here the scheduled task also given. So if it will be registered this task. So task name is EC2 stop EC2 instance. So I'll do only one. I'll give only one example. I have to stop my machine because already started. So you can do the same you have to start the machine at a particular time. You can give. So it's a description. So before that, this is my PS1 file, PowerShell file. Here it will read this text file, and it will, whatever the machine number is, instance ID is there, it will be stop that machine. So first I have to take the ID. This machine ID is this one. So I just copy this ID. I have to go just remove and add this ID. Okay, let's say the ID is added here. This PS1 file will be get the value from here, and if the machine is running, it will stop the machine. It just gives one small example. So here 153 is the timing. So now is the 152. I'll just increase one time because it's a problem. I just tried this one. So this instance ID is created. So we can check by go to task scheduler, and in the task scheduler, that instance, the task it's created. We can check the properties also. So what the task name, at what time it will be triggered, what action it will take, or some condition, and setting the history. If you add some condition, you can add it here also. So now it's not responding. Okay, so the trigger time is for 1:54. So at the time of the 1:54 PM, it will trigger it and it will stop the machine. Okay, so you can check my machine is running, and the status is 2x2 check. And the time is 1:53. You have to wait up to 1:54. Now you can see it's executed, and the PowerShell is executed, and I just refresh the AWS and you can see the machine is stopped.